Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to break down what I believe to be the best side hustles to start in 2021 and beyond. There are tons of ways to make money outside of the internet. Think like Airbnb, Uber, and DoorDash. This video though is going to show you how to specifically focus on an online business ideas that you can pursue if you're interested in having a side hustle. Now there are plenty of opportunities where you can make money working for someone else, but I wanted to talk about opportunities to start making money from the ground up rather than doing another job. Truly, I want to help you build your own business and do your own thing. Many of you already have a full-time job, and that's going to be the focus of today's program, is helping you do something in your spare time to earn extra money. Now, if you stay to the end, I'll show you how to combine all these things into one big mega opportunity. Also, if you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button. This is the only way to make sure my newest videos get to you when they're released. Hitting that like button will also go a long way to helping people just like you discover my content and help them get the help they need to make money online. All right, let's dive into the list of my favorite side hustles. Number one is online courses and online education. The knowledge industry is booming. It's estimated to be worth $375 billion by 2026. What that means is there are more and more people taking advantage of their knowledge than ever before. Here's the crazy thing. A lot of people will say, I don't have knowledge. There's nothing I can sell. The truth is, we all have an immense amount of knowledge. Oftentimes, we don't even think about. To help you realize the depth of what you know, here's a challenge for you. First, draw a vertical line down the center of a blank piece of paper. Now, on the left column, write down all of your passions, the things you're interested in. It doesn't matter how niche or geeky or weird they are. Just write them all down. Try to get 10 to 15 ideas on paper. Next, write down all the things that you're good at in the right column. It doesn't mean that you know a ton about all of these things. Just write down the skills you have and that you've used in the past. Some examples could be writing, dancing, singing, computer programming, graphic design, and all these skills might overlap with the passion you already wrote down, which is just fine. Now, if you've taken this seriously, what I hope you did then we'll have a complied and huge list of 10 to 15 things you love and 10 to 15 things you're good at. Look at those things and start making connections. In those interesting connections, you'll find the knowledge and passion that you can leverage to make money online. For example, let's say you're interested in Dungeons and Dragons and you're really good at writing. With those two things in hand, you could write your own Dungeons and Dragons storylines and publish them online. If you're good at writing, that means you could be writing a script for a podcast or starting a Dungeons and Dragons show. You could also create a course on teaching others how to start playing Dungeons and Dragons. This is just one example of how you can utilize your knowledge and passion and turn it into a viable business opportunity. One major key to starting a side hustle is to create it around something you actually care about. It's slightly counterintuitive, but don't think about the money at first. Just do something you love and that serves other people. Eventually, you'll have enough audience to monetize, or you'll think of a physical product you can sell, or maybe even create a course that people want to buy from $49 to $99. Second opportunity is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is how I got started online. It's essentially just promoting someone else's products and getting paid a commission to do it. You don't have to create your own product. You don't even have to have the knowledge. You just need to market the product and the service that's already been created. Now, what's crazy about affiliate marketing is that there are opportunities to get paid to not sell anything. For example, Chase Bank has a promo where you can refer people to open a checking account and they'll give you and those people money, $100 to them, and then pay you $50 for referring them. So it helps you. At the end of the day, there are so many affiliate marketing opportunities that don't require you ever selling a thing. This is something you should look into. Now, a third opportunity is email marketing. This is the most secure way to make money on the internet. It's never been easier to get started, especially with those sites like SendFox, Substack, MailChimp, and others. What I recommend is to pick something that that they'd like to write about, for example, Dungeons and Dragons, and start writing. Tell your friends in Instagram and work and school about it and have them sign up. You could also join relevant Facebook groups and subreddits and tell them all about your newsletter, providing them a link to your to subscribe. Again, it's important to take the long road here and focus on sending out great content. It will repay you as your list grows and you identify affiliate offers or products to sell on courses to create. And what's cool is you can use email marketing with digital courses and affiliate marketing. In fact, It's best to combine these strategies together to create the ultimate side hustle. This is where the real power is. Now, obviously, you can do this all on your own. You can research more about course creation, affiliate marketing, and email marketing. My channel is one place where you can learn about those things, and there are hundreds of others. On the other hand, if you'd like help putting it together, then I'd recommend learning about an online course that I've found out and been using called Partner with Anthony. This course was created by Anthony Morrison, who's an 8-figure digital marketer, and it's packed full of valuable information on email marketing, including how to build an email list, funnel creation, and even done for you sales funnels and emails to help you get started. And on top of that, there are 30 modules of pure step-by-step training where you will learn exactly what offers to promote, how to promote them, and how to partner with Anthony Morrison himself to actually do the legwork. Basically, he'll come alongside you and promote them with you. There's a link in the description of this video with more information on the program. Clicking that will help you learn more about whether this training is right for you. And then, just to put the icing on the cake, you'll gain access to promote 15 products within Anthony's ecosystem, 5 of which have recurring revenue opportunities. And it's honestly one of the best courses for beginners. PWA has solved problems for a lot of people and what I faced, and I've started my own online business. It's provided me training and knowledge, products to promote, and business elements to help me get started. If you're interested in learning more, click the link below for a free training that shows you exactly how it works. And as always, thanks so much for checking out today's video. Make sure to hit the like button to show some love and subscribe to the channel. You don't miss out, making sure you get to see my next video. We'll see you next time.